Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing a comprehensive guide on how to open a digital bank account. Whether you are new to banking or simply considering switching to a digital platform, this step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners. Digital banking has revolutionized the way we manage our finances by providing convenient and accessible services. Opening a digital bank account is a simple process, and in this video, we will take you through all the essential steps required to get you started. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Research different digital banks available in your country. Look for banks that offer the features and services you need, such as online bill payment, mobile check deposit, or budgeting tools. Take your time to compare their offerings and choose the one that suits your requirements. Step 2. Gather the required documentation. Generally, to open a digital bank account, you'll need identification documents, such as a valid passport or driver's license, proof of address, and your social security number or tax identification number. Make sure you have these documents readily available before proceeding. Step 3. Visit the website or mobile app of your chosen digital bank. Look for the option to open a new account or sign up. Click on it to start the application process. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Provide accurate personal information, including your full name, date of birth, contact details, and social security number. Some banks may require additional information, so be prepared to answer those questions as well. Step 5. Review and submit your application. Double-check all the information you have provided, ensuring its accuracy. Take a moment to read through any terms and conditions before submitting your application. Congratulations! You have successfully completed all the steps required to open your own digital bank account. Digital banking offers numerous benefits, such as convenience, accessibility, and enhanced financial management tools. With your new account, you can now enjoy seamless online transactions and easily monitor your finances at any time. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to open a digital bank account. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember to stay tuned for our upcoming videos on financial management and the latest banking trends. See you next time.